You can make the perfect tense way easier for yourself by just remembering this base sentence. Tá an obair agam, meaning I have done the work, or quite literally, the work is done at me. It's a really nice, easy to remember example of the perfect tense. And then even if you're saying something very different to this, or much more complicated, once it's in the perfect tense, it's going to follow the exact same structure. So if we manipulate this sentence bit by bit, tá an obair agam, I can change that firstly to níl an obair agam. If I want to negate it, if I want to say I had done the work, I could say bhí an obair agam, ní raibh an obair agam, I hadn't done the work. And then let's go níl an obair agam for now, I haven't done the work. We can then change the noun that's suffering action to, let's say, níl an chuid eile déanta agam, I haven't done the other part. But it doesn't stop there. We can change the action, so instead of something that I haven't done, what if it's something I haven't seen? Then I just change the déanta to feicia. So, níl an chuid eile feicia agam. And if I'm not speaking about myself, I'm speaking about someone else, then I just change the egg form at the end, same as we have with normal possession. So, níl an chuid eile feicia acu, they haven't seen the other part. So notice there, just by manipulating each bit but keeping the same structure, I've gone from I've done the work to they haven't seen the other part, a completely different sentence, but one that happens to be in the same tense. And I could do this for anything. I could do it for we haven't seen the game, she hadn't eaten any food, or we haven't finished what we had to do. Just remember your one base sentence, tá an obair agam, and it's going to be a lot easier from there.